In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to personalize your ChatGPT experience for smoother interactions and improved productivity. Let's get started by walking you through each step in setting up custom instructions and memory features. First, let's begin by opening ChatGPT. You'll need to go to the website chat.openai.com. Once you're there, sign in with your account credentials. It's a simple process, but if you encounter any issues, just ensure your internet connection is stable and your login details are correct. Once you're logged in, at the bottom left corner of the interface, you'll notice your profile icon. Click on this icon to expand a menu. From there, select Settings. This will open up a panel providing you access to various customization options. This is where we get into the fun part of personalization. In the Settings panel, navigate to the Personalization section and then to Custom Instructions. Here, you'll be presented with several fields to populate. This is your opportunity to tailor the ChatGPT experience to your liking. The first field asks, what should ChatGPT call you? For example, you can enter a name like Ray or any other nickname that you prefer. Following this, you'll want to fill out the next field, which is about what you do. An example might be, I'm a tech content creator who loves step-by-step guides, humor, and short answers first. This information cues ChatGPT into your profession or interests, which can help tailor responses more appropriately. Next up is selecting what personality ChatGPT should embody. You can choose from a variety of options like default, chatty, witty, straight shooting, encouraging, Gen Z, traditional, or forward-thinking. Choose the one that aligns best with how you prefer your interactions to feel. Moving on, you can specify what traits ChatGPT should have. This is the place to write any specific preferences you have, such as be direct, creative, and use clear, numbered steps. Add relevant examples. Finally, the last field is for anything else ChatGPT should know about you, like your interests, values, or additional tips for a personalized touch. Once everything is filled to your satisfaction, hit Save. Now, let's ensure the memory feature is activated if it's available. Still in the personalization area, click on Memory. Toggle this feature on so that ChatGPT can save and recall your preferences in future sessions. If there are particular details you want ChatGPT to remember, just open any conversation, click on the three dots, and choose Remember. To manage any saved items, you can always return to the memory settings to view or delete them as needed. With everything set up, it's time to test and make any necessary refinements. Go back to the sidebar and click on New Chat. Let's put your settings to the test with an example prompt. Give me a quick 3-step guide on how to clean my laptop keyboard. This will demonstrate how ChatGPT integrates your preferences into its responses. By following these steps, you'll create a ChatGPT experience that's not only tailored to your needs, but also enhances your overall interaction quality. Enjoy your personalized ChatGPT journey.